Eat chocolate. Are you loving that headline? Well, if you're naturally a chocoholic like I am, and you are not trying to lose weight right now, that may come as welcome news. I'm Sharon at BonVie Ideal Protein Weight Loss and Nutritional Wellness in Santa Monica and Portland. Here with some healthy guidelines to make chocolate your friend, not your foe. First, go for the dark. Yes, it really does matter, and here's why. Plain dark chocolate, unless there are added flavors like fruit or nuts, has the least fat and sugar. Also, dark chocolate is usually less processed and has more antioxidants like flavonoids, which may help to lower blood pressure and cholesterol. Typically, the higher the percentage of cocoa, the more flavonoids the chocolate has. However, eating too much dark chocolate is not going to lead to better health, so pay attention to serving size. How much is too much? Many of us eat close to 12 pounds of chocolate per year. That kind of overconsumption takes a long time to work off. So what is a healthy serving? About the size of a packet of dental floss. Now, how about using chocolate to take the place of caffeine for a morning boost? Well, it would take 14 bars of milk chocolate to equal 1 cup of joe. And what about chocolate as an aphrodisiac? Aztec ruler Montezuma supposedly drank a chocolatey concoction before visiting the women in his harem. And in the past, there were French doctors who prescribed chocolate to mend broken hearts. In fact, some of chocolate's hundreds of chemicals do work on the pleasure center of the brain, giving you a natural high that makes you feel happy, just like when you were in love. At BonVie, we want you to love your healthy relationship with food, enjoying the right kind and the right amount. Be it Valentine's or any time of the year, we have lots of tools and support to do just that. If you would like to know more, contact us through our website and we will be in touch.